education is not as the world sees it. Education, according to Noah Webster's 1828 dictionary, is the bringing up of a child in instruction and formation of manners. So, education actually comprehends all that series of instruction and discipline, which is intended to enlighten the understanding, correct the temper, and form the manners and habits of youth, and fit them for usefulness in their future stations. We're fitting children to be used by God to honor and glorify Him. And Noah says to give children a good education in manners, arts, and science is important, but to give them a religious education is indispensable. It's an immense responsibility that rests on parents and guardians who actually neglect those duties. So I don't like that word religious. We know that religion has sort of this strange connotation in the world, but what we mean is we're raising people that just walk with the Lord, that know how to abide with Him and are not actually not striving.